Hey guys, Scott from Tool Central. Happy New Year to you all. We are back again for 2024. And as you can see, I'm actually wearing my Hazet shirt today. And I'm going to do something really cool for everyone. I'm actually going to take you through the Tool Central warehouse because we're going to do an unboxing of this limited edition Porsche Motorsport tool set. It's amazing. I can't wait to show you all. So come with me, let's take a walk and we'll go through the actual Tool Central warehouse and you can check it all out. Here's the warehouse manager, Leo. Say hello, Leo.
Hi, hello.
Leo's actually checking off some of the Hazet stuff, but let's go inside and take a look. Here's another one of the Hazet toolboxes. Plenty of stock in here. So here we have the 37-inch Hazet limited edition box. This is number 40 of 100. So there's only 100 of these in the world and one in Australia. So let's take a look. I've already cut the strapping. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Check that out. Okay, let's look inside the top drawer. So here we have all your sockets and bits. You've also got all your European stuff. So you've got your Torx, you've got spline sets as well. It also comes with this really cool little bit set. So it's got all your little tamper-proof Torx bits, hex, all that sort of stuff. Comes with this limited edition gold ratchet, really nice, beautiful, German made. All your sockets, as you can see, hex bits, closes really nice. It's a really solid toolbox. So here are all your spanners. So you got your offset spanners, open end spanners, and it goes all the way through from 8mm right up to 34mm. Yep, 34mm, so that's a huge spanner. Next drawer, got all your screwdrivers, okay, all your flat blades, hex. It's got, of course, hex key and Torx sets, little stumpy. It's got these really nice precision screwdrivers as well in the set. Fourth drawer, you've got punches, hammers, dead blows, extra long pliers, of course side cutters, water pump pliers, all that sort of stuff. Down here you got some wheel nut sockets, your 17, 19, 21mm, and then also it comes with a torque wrench that goes up to 200 Newton meters. So come over this side, we've actually got a little side cabinet. So you can hang up some of your tools in there or different bits. It's really cool idea. See the Porsche down the bottom there. So this is as I said, limited edition. This is one of 100. So this is box number 40 of 100 worldwide. And just turn that to lock. Also got a lock over this side. So your actual lock, bring the camera around this side, is actually on the top. Really nice handle. Okay, so that will actually open up all your drawers. Just pop the key in here. It also, this is still covered at the moment, of course, because it's brand new, but that's a stainless steel top as well.
Only one in Australia. Thanks, Mark. Mark's my cameraman. So as you can see here, let's focus on this. This is number 40 of 100. So pretty cool, hey? This is your Porsche Motorsport Limited Edition 2024. If you want to know any more information, hit me up. I reckon it's a great deal. Have a good new year, and we'll see you again.